Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby, and today what we're going to discuss is one of my clients. They are in the third session in my mastermind and they've already closed themselves a deal, and not just any deal. This specific deal, their first ever deal, was no money down deal. So before we get started, I want you to subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 p.m. when I post. So let's go. Hi guys, so today, yes, you heard it right. I am so excited to show you the little interview that I had with my client, one of my students who have done my mastermind course, and she hasn't even finished the course yet. Take that in. This is a 4-week course, yeah? She was in her third session and she's already closed down a deal. And it is not just the one deal, like any deal where you have to put money down. This is a no money down deal, and what I'm trying to show you is this is what I teach you. This is what I teach you. I teach you how to get a no money down deal. I teach you how to get these deals, and I'm so confident in the value that I've taught all my students. Even before the end of the course, you'll be so confident to even get started to speak to people, because I've shown my students it's so important to speak to people, to take action. Don't hesitate, don't procrastinate, just do it. It's all about you coming out your comfort zone. And so guys, I'm just so excited. So in this footage here, I'm just going to show you a quick recording of us. It was a Zoom call speaking to her, because I just wanted to interview her so you guys can literally hear it from one of my students. And she's just going to tell you the story, how she got this deal. And yeah, I'm just so excited. So just keep on opening doors for people, because you can do anything you put your mind to. And this is what I always say to people. So yeah guys, so without further ado, without me waffling, take a look. Hi guys, so today we're on a call with Shereen. She is the student who got the no money down deal, which is incredible, and she was only on our third session. Once again, third session. So Shereen, just tell them who you are and tell them how you done it.
Literally with like all my I don't even know, I tried my best. I gave myself a goal. That's the first thing. I gave myself a goal and I literally just went for it. And it was hard. It was literally hard. I'm not gonna lie, it was hard, but I literally just pushed myself and literally just went for it, and I got the deal, which is amazing. I found at first it was like really hard to like talk to the landlords and stuff, and then after a while I just like got used to it. So after you've done it once and you can get used to it again, literally.
Yeah, it's true, because it's a thing where I feel like when people start, they're like, oh my gosh, I'm scared to speak to someone.
Yeah.
And I know that feeling, because when I actually did it first, my heart was beating out my chest. I was scared to speak to people. But it's a thing that once you start, you just keep going. And then you just sound like a pro on the phone as well.
Yeah.
And it's a thing where, I feel like it's the way you think. It's literally your mindset.
Yeah, literally. Because you're thinking like, oh my god, like I wonder if they're gonna call me. When I call them, they're gonna say no. We don't want to hear it. That's what I was scared of. I was scared of like the no. But then after like just doing it, and like even if you get like 100 no's, you're gonna get like a yes. Well, you're gonna have to get a yes. You know what I mean? Just keep going. Don't let the no's put you off. Just keep going, and you'll get that yes. And you never know, like that one yes can also open other doors, because literally could open so many doors. Because the deal that I got, the lady was like, she said yes, and then the deal also opened other doors to more properties that she has. So you never know, like that one yes could be just like, oh wow, it could open so many doors. So like just keep going. Never give up, just keep going and pushing yourself, and that one yes could just like literally be amazing.
Literally, no, it's true, and it's a thing where people need to never doubt themselves. Like, you took the course, it was in your 3rd session, you weren't even finished.
Oh,
like, you wasn't even, no, that's well done. No, honestly, well done.
Honestly,
yeah, because it's a thing where I make sure in my course I put a lot of things at the beginning, so you can actually get going. Because I hate when I do courses where, like, I have to wait towards the end to get started. Just gets on my nerves. I'm a person where I just want to do it, you know. And so that's why I was so happy that when you put that in the group chat, I thought,
do you know, like the first day, like the first lesson we had, I literally came out of that session, I was like, boy, I need to get started. Like, it really made me think. Like, I was like, because you know what, I was brought up to like my family, like, it's not their fault, but like I was brought up to like go to school, get education, you know, save, make money, and then put and buy your house. I didn't know anything about this. Like, I didn't know you could actually, like, I was thinking, oh my God, how many years do I need to save to buy a house to start to do this? Do you know what I mean?
Yes.
So on the first lesson, when I learned about all the different ways, like, I was like, what? Where was I? Like, where have I been all these years? Like, where have I been? Like, I've literally, like, was blinded from this whole thing, you know? So, that it literally, I was literally mind blown. Like, I literally, on the first day, I remember going, I was like looking on like all the websites that you told us and everything, and like putting pen and paper and just like trying to make a plan of like how many properties I want to have like at the end of the year.
Thank you. That is true. Literally, I say vision is everything. Like, let's say you take over, for example, Birmingham, and then you take over Manchester. Now, all of these places, how much do you want to make? 20 properties, you could essentially be making like 10k to
exactly, yeah,
a month. You're making 6 figures by having a property that's not yours. You could be buying property every single month.
Oh my God, when you say that.
No, it's true though.
It's true. It's true when you put like all the maths together, like, oh wow.
It all adds up. And this is another thing, how you plan these things. Like, I always write in my big book, like my journal. And like, how much properties do you want to have? And then after, you have someone working for you. So now you don't physically need to do this now. They're doing everything that you've done, and now you're paying them a salary.
Yeah.
You know what? And you can afford that. Do you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
No, it's true though. Like, this is how all of these companies just grow. And even to think bigger, do you want to do this now in the USA? Like, do you know how much?
Yes.
I'm telling you, like,
it's take it everywhere.
It's crazy. Like, your mind will really grow you so much.
Yeah.
That's why I always talk about the book Think and Grow Rich. Literally, think and grow rich.
Yeah.
It's like, honestly, like,
literally.
But honestly, thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming on today. This was so important to me.
Oh, thank you.
I know people wanted to hear from a student, like, money down deal as well. Like, come on.
Literally. I mean, because you know what, when you said you can actually get a no money down deal, I was like, that is going to be a lot of work. Negotiate with the landlord, you know what I mean? Like, how am I going to say, can I not pay you anything and just take your property like that? But literally, oh wow.
Yeah.
Literally was
literally, like,
wow.
That's why it's a thing where, well done to you. I'm so happy for you, and this is just the start. With your work ethic and the way you're going to keep on going, you're going to keep going. No, literally. I love when people have this type of work ethic. This is the humble you need. You need to keep on going. You need to hit your goals. You can then have someone working for you, doing everything that you got taught, and now you're actually doing a hands-off thing, making great money.
Yeah, I definitely say as well, like, definitely have like a strong why, because when you have like a strong why, then you'll be like, you know, you'll push yourself to do it. If you don't really have a strong why, if you think, I just need to make a few this and that, then you're not going to do anything. Do you know what I mean? You're just going to buy the course and sit there and just be like, just wait. But as you're waiting, there's someone out there that's actually taking all the deals. And then
It's true.
You know what? That's the way I think, though.
Yeah.
That's the way I think. I think, you know what? If I don't, step up, I'm actually going to be missing out on a lot of deals. So I better step up.
Yeah,
at least
every single day. There's a new deal every single day. And there's thousands of properties, literally thousands.
Yeah.
Oh, but thank you so much, guys.
Oh,
thank you so much for Shereen coming on today. This was incredible.
Thank you so much.
Amazing. Honestly, you're amazing. Well done. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Oh.
Okay, guys, I hope you found that awesome. Honestly, I loved speaking to her, and I loved how she told me everything that she needed to tell me, and just for you guys to hear it for yourself. Like, you guys can now hear it for yourself that yes, one of my students, they were in their 3rd session and they already closed a no money down deal. Like, no money down deal. People think, oh my gosh, it's hard, you can't do it. But guys, you can do it. And with this specific student, she was working hard, she was persistent, she didn't let nothing knock her down, and that is so important. And also, she made sure she set goals, and this is why I say setting goals is super important. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this recording today. It was phenomenal for me because I just love hearing my testimonials for my students, and them especially getting a no money down deal. So that makes me so excited. So guys, I want you to, before we leave today, make sure you comment down below, tell me what you thought of this content today. And also make sure you add me on Instagram, it's Oniru. And make sure you do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on, so you get alerts every Wednesday at 7 PM when I post. And finally guys, click this segment up here, and in this segment, what I'm going to be speaking to you about is service accommodation, and what is service accommodation, and why is it so good right now. Alright guys, so bye, see you up here.